Dear students, we are going to start the uh, social network analysis of the fifth module. So, what is social network analysis? Social network are graphical representation of relationship among people and entities. Now, whatever we are seeing in Facebook, LinkedIn, and all these things, so many friends are connected with each other. So that is only the social networks. How it will be represented? It will be represented using the graphical representation and based on the relationship like friendship, brother, sister, father, son, mother, son, husband, wife, and all this thing. Based on the relationship, the social networks will be created using the graph. Social network analysis is the art and science of discovering patterns of the iteration and influence within the participants within the network. It is an art of discovering patterns among the entities. Participants could be people, organization, machines, or any other kind of entity. So, in the social network, participants could be people, organization, machines, etc. What are the two major level of social network analysis? The two major level of social network analysis is first discovering the subnetwork within the network, and second one ranking the nodes to find more important nodes. In the network, in the network with the directions, the nodes can be compared based on their relative influence or rank or importance. So we can find the rank of the nodes based on relative influence. Every outbound links from a node can be considered an outflow of an influence, and every income links can be considered an inflow of influence. More in links to a node has greater importance. The task is to identify a set of rank values that satisfy the set of links between the nodes. It is an iterative task begin with some initial value and continue to iterate till the rank value stabilize. Let's see, we are going in a social network analysis. A set of nodes are there, and we are going to analyze the highest influence node. Listen, we have a problem. Compute the rank values for the nodes for the following network, which is the highest ranked node. So here we have a network. So we have to find the we have to identify the rank of all the nodes, and we have to find the highest influenced node and lowest influenced node. Now suppose node A links to B. Node A links to B. Node A links to B. Node B links to C. Node C links to D. Node D links to A. Node A links to C. And node B links to A. This is how the relationship is established among the nodes. So begin by assigning the variables for influence values for each node RA, RB, RC and RD. The goal is to find the relative values of these variables. Now see in the diagram that B to C and A, B to C and A, two outbounds are there. So and A, C and A receives half influence from node B because one outgo link is there from B to A and one outbound link is there from B to C. So half of the 50% of influence of B will be received by A and 50% of the influence of B will be received by C. Similarly, from D to A receives 100% influence from D, and C to D receives full influence from node C. What is the influence? What is the equation for all nodes? So RA, rank of A at the first iteration, rank of A. A is getting 50% influence from B and full influence from D. So rank of A, we can calculate 0.5 into RB plus RD. Similarly, rank of B, we can get it. B is getting 50% influence from A. So RB equal to 0.5 into RA. Similarly, C receives 50% from B and 50% from A. So RC equal to 0.5 into RA plus 0.5 into RB, and RD equal to RC. 100% influence of C is received by D. So RD equal to RC. Next, using the matrix also we can show it, like RA to RA0, RA to RB 0.5, RA to RC 0, RA to RA, RD is 1. By seeing this equation, we can calculate this matrix. Now in step 2, let us start with the initial set of rank values and then perform the iteration. We start with the initial rank values as 1 by n. Since 4 nodes are there, so we can 1 by 4. So RA equal to 0.250, RB 0. RC, RD all 0.4, 1 by 4. So this is the initial values. If we calculate iteration 1 based on this equation which we have received in the previous slide, RA we can get 0.5 into RB is 0.25 plus RD is 0.25. So that we can get 0.375. Similarly, RB we can get 0.5 into 0.25, RC we can get 0.25 and RD also we can get 0.25. Similarly, based on this equation only we can calculate the second iteration. So second iteration based on this equation only we have got for RA 0.3125, RB 0.1875 and RC RD. So some more total 8 iteration we should keep calculating the value till we get stable values. So by seeing the iteration 8, we can see that the final rank shows that rank of node A has highest value 0.333. So therefore most important node is node A and lowest rank is for node B, that is 0.166. So hence least important node is node B. So node C and D are the middle nodes. So this is how we can find the rank of nodes in the social network. Thank you very much.